Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows cannot find setup.exe. Make sure you type the name correctly and then try again. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows NT. Click and expand current version. Click and expand image file execution option. Click setup.exe. Right-click debugger, click modify. Delete entire value data. Click OK and exit registry editor. Restart computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.